Good morning, children. How are you doing all? This is Shilpa Miss. Children, today we will learn a poem from our worksheet 2, Night. Now all of you open page number 6. The sun that shines all day so bright, I wonder where it goes at night. He sinks behind a distant hill, and all the world grows dark and still. And then I go to bed and sleep, and until the day begins to peep. And when my eyes unclose, I see the sun is shining down on me. Children, here what we observe is when the sun shines all day, we have light. When the sun sinks behind the hill, we have darkness. Understood? So in the night time, we should go to bed and sleep until next day morning. That means until the sun shines again. Understood? Children, here observe the rhyming words of the poem. Bright night, hill still. Next one, sleep peep, see me. So these are the rhyming words. Children, observe sentence last word. Okay. Next one, while we are fast asleep in bed, the sun must go, I have heard it said, to other countries far away, to make them warm and bright and gay. Here see, children, rhyming words: bad, sad, away, gay. I don't know, but hope the sun, when all his nightly work is done, will not forget to come again, and we make through the window pane. So children, what happened here? While we are asleep during the night, the sun goes to other countries far away to make them warm and bright and happy. After his work is finished, there the sun will not forget. He will come to us early morning again. So children, this poem tells us about the sun. When the sun is there for us, we have brightness. When the sun sinks behind the hill, we have darkness, and so on. In this way, the sun shines for us again and again and again. Now children, moving on to page number 7. Here we see choose the correct answers. These questions are from the poem itself. Read the poem carefully once and twice and find out the answers from the poem. Okay children? Next one, find out the meanings of the following words. These words are also from the poem. Goes down, sinks, S-I-N-K-S, sinks. To not remember, forget, F-O-R-G-E-T, forget. Now moving on to page 8, here we see matching the nouns with their correct pronouns. Children, you know what are the nouns and their pronouns. First one, butterfly. It, postman. He, Priya. She, sister and brother, 2 members. That's why we should use they. Rajiv and I. Here see, we should use Rajiv and I. That's why, including ourselves, that's why we should use we. Next one. Replace the underlined words. First one, Ramya and I. Here we are talking about 2 persons. That's why children, in the place of Ramya and I, we can use the word we. Understood? Second one, Suresh took dance lessons. He can dance very well. Here is Suresh. Suresh is boy's names. That's why we should use here he. What is the pronoun of Suresh? He. Okay. Remaining try your own, children. Lion is roaring. Are you hearing? Now children listen, next one, frog. Yes, what the frog is doing? Croaks. One. What is in the picture, children? Horse. Yes, exactly right. Now what the horse is doing, listen. Neighing. It is called neighing. See children, next one, donkey. How donkey is braying? See children, next one, owl. Owl is hooting. Here see children, parrot is squawking. Next, page number 9. Match the animals to their correct sounds. So children, now you can match the animal with their correct sounds. Okay? Thank you.